The series of processes by which carbon compounds are interconverted in the environment is called carbon cycle. Photosynthesis. Through the process of photosynthesis, carbon dioxide is pulled from the air to produce food made from carbon for plant growth. Carbon moves from plants to animals. Through food chains, the carbon that is in plants moves to the animals that eat them. Animals that eat other animals get carbon from their food too. Decay. In the soil, decomposers, such as microbes and soil animals, break down dead animals and dead plants. Making nutrients available for living plants, this process also releases carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Burning, forest fire. All the mass of all the trees that you're seeing around is mostly coming from atmospheric CO2. So when we cut down forests and burn forests, then we are releasing CO2 into the atmosphere. Burning fossil fuels. In fossil fuels, the carbon is stored in long-chain hydrocarbons, and then through combustion with oxygen in our cars or in factories, the carbon is converted to CO2, which is released to the atmosphere. And in addition, several other byproducts are also produced through inefficiencies in combustion like carbon monoxide, which are atmospheric pollutants. Animal respiration. Plants and animals release carbon dioxide into the atmosphere through the process of respiration. Respiration releases energy from carbohydrates, with carbon dioxide as a waste product. Weathering and runoff. Rain slowly dissolves minerals from rocks, a process called weathering. These minerals eventually get washed into the sea, where some minerals, such as calcium carbonate, add to sediments at the bottom of the ocean. A lot of organic matter from the soil also gets carried to sea by rivers. Carbon may remain stored deep in sediments and rocks for millions of years until an event such as a volcanic eruption returns it to the surface. Volcanic eruptions. When a volcano erupts, it emits a variety of gases, one of which is carbon dioxide. This release of CO2 into the atmosphere contributes to the overall carbon cycle.